Alright guys, here we are talking about background remover. Background remover is one of the things that a lot of us need to do on a lot of the projects we're working on. And sometimes it can be pretty tough, especially if you use Photoshop. It won't be accurate all the time. You gotta work with the different tools just to make sure you get every angle and every corner. And I feel like the Magic tool, which we use the Magic Studios on Canva, is a lot easier than most programs. So with this particular video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the background of your object. So right here, I have a picture that's selected. This is me being silly, wearing my outfit with my gym shorts. Don't mind that. It's just videos I've been working on. But here I'm going to hit Edit Photo. If I click on that, right here it says BG Remover. This is the background remover under the Magic Studio. Now, I do have the Pro version. I want to say this is the Pro version. If not, great, it's free. If not, then yes, you got to pay for the Pro version. The Pro version really isn't that expensive, folks. I spend probably I think it's like 15 bucks a month, or it's less than 20 bucks a month. I can tell you that much. Um, to me, that's not expensive. For some of you, it may be very expensive. Everybody's budget is different, so we're not gonna get into that. But just to let you know, the Pro version really isn't that bad. But we're going to show you how to remove remove the background. It's very simple. All you do is have your picture, come to edit photo, and all you do is click this, and it's going to load. A couple seconds. Then, here we go. Booyaka. Booyakacha. Just like I say, booyakacha. And the background's removed. Just like that. It's just that simple. It seems almost impossible sometimes that it could be that easy, but it really is. If you want to, you can probably grab one of the elements and come up here and select a photo. Let's just go to, I don't know, let's say a doctor, I guess. I don't know. I'm just saying doctor. I don't know why I'm thinking that. Let's go to one of the photos. And if I want to select, because you're probably wondering what the object's in the background, so let's remove this picture. Let's come to this one. Let's see what happens when we select remove photo. Let's edit. I said remove photo, remove background. Let's click on that. Boom. That's with objects in the background. Just that simple. Okay? All you have to do is amazing. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Real quick and simple. Easy peasy. Alright, y'all. As always, it's not deuces, it's doses.